So this is going to be a segment we call What is Dad Doing Today? So Dad, what are you doing today?
Well, I'm working on the transmission in this 59 Imperial 2.0 hardtop. It's got a cast iron torque plate, which is a little different animal. I pulled the pan off of it yesterday. It looked like the bottom of somebody's kitty litter box. It was just absolutely terrible. I've cleaned it out. This was the dust shield that was on the car. Now, the guy that put this on, he's registered and he's got papers that says he's stupid. He had the dust shield on like this. This is the way I took it off yesterday. You see this piece here? It goes over that hole. That's where you drain your converter. You can drain the converters on these older cars. Now, a lot of your newer stuff don't have drain plugs in the converters. And when I get through cleaning the pan, getting all this squared away, I'm going to adjust the bands. Here's your band adjustment over here, right there. You got another band adjustment over here, right there. Now, in the later transmission, in the aluminum transmission, this band adjustment is inside the transmission. So you have to pull the pan to do it, which that's no big deal. You need to pull the pan every 30,000 miles and change the fluid in the filter anyway. And you get your service manual out, which any car you're working on, you should have a service manual for it. And it will give you the specs on how to adjust the bands. It's not rocket science. You have to have an inch-pound torque wrench, and you should have one anyway. And you look in your service manual, it tells you which bands are which and how to adjust them. There's really not much to it. It's very simple. If you've got an inch-pound torque wrench.
All right, sounds good. Well, we'll follow back up. And what do you think you're going to work on next after this?
Oh, I'm going to go into those wonderful platform brakes that this car has on it.
All right, well, we'll come back for that, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.